Today's episode of the How to Trade Stocks and Options podcast is powered by FinClub and their artificially intelligent stock picks. With nearly 90% accuracy for the first half of the year, you'd be crazy not to try FinClub stock picks while you can. I mean, before they get bought out by one of the big Wall Street banks, because their technology really is that good. So head on over to tryfinclub.com to get nearly $1,500 in bonuses just for starting your free 2-week trial. So join the club, the Fin Club, to get nearly $1,500 in bonuses just for starting your free 2-week trial at tryfinclub.com. That's tryfinclub.com. Today on the podcast, we're going to be covering a serious topic: why you should not outsource your financial future to a bank. This is the How to Trade Stocks and Options podcast, brought to you by 10minutestocktrader.com, where we give you the tools, tips, and tricks to help you trade faster and trade smarter. And here's your host, voted one of the top 100 people in finance by Redwood Media Group, founder and head trader of 10minutestocktrader.com, Christopher Uhl. Hey there, 10-minute traders. Welcome back to the How to Trade Stocks and Options podcast. Hey, before we get started real quick, make sure you like, subscribe, and enable notifications. That way you never miss any of the tools, tips, and tricks that we upload every single week to help you trade faster and trade smarter. Now, what I said earlier, I really, honestly, truly believe this. Do not outsource your financial future to a bank. Period. I don't know if you know this, but banks make money when they get to loan out your money. But they make an enormous spread on that transaction. You have decided to put your money in a bank for convenience purposes. Everyone does that. I do it. If you don't do it and you live on cash and keeping things under your mattress, you'd be like my father-in-law before he passed away. That was one interesting man, let me tell you. He did not believe in the banking system. I believe in the banking system, but I don't want you to feel that going to the bank is always in your best interest. So let's say that you have a savings account at a bank. I don't have to pull up any bank account references out there to tell you that it's going to be next to 0% earning on that. Let's say it's 25 basis points. That means for every $100 you put in there over a year, do you know how much you're going to make in interest? Think of it for a second. $100 times 0.25% interest, you would make 25 cents. You would not make $1 on every $100 you have with the bank in your savings account. You would make 25 cents. That is the reason why, if you are going to be financially successful, you don't leave your money in banks. You put your money to work. Either in the stock market, maybe investing in businesses, maybe investing in real estate, investing in cash flows, investing in something. But don't think that a bank has your best interest in mind, because banks make money on your money. So they're paying you 25 cents for every $100 you give them. But you know what they do is they loan it out 3, 4, 5, 6, 8% to somebody else. So their spread could be as high as 8% different. So they're making $8 on every 100 they lend out, and they're paying you, the people who funded them, who gave them the opportunity to make these loans, they're paying you 25 cents. That's not awesome. So if you are a person of high net worth, you probably already know about this, and you have your money invested in other places. Maybe it's in stocks and bonds and gold and everything else. But don't count on a bank to have your best interest in mind. Don't outsource your financial future to a bank. Yes, they are people. Yes, they do provide services to help you do the things you need to do to transact business. Absolutely. But don't think that they're providing those services with the intention to make you wealthy off of them. I see too many people who are not financially educated who say, oh, I'm going to put my money in a savings account or a money market or an IRA or a CD. Oh my goodness. Let's talk about CDs. I think CDs could potentially be the worst investment ever. First off, you have no liquidity in the CD. If you need your money now, do you know what they do? They penalize you to take your own money. Why would you want that? So then they're going to pay you, let's call it 1%, and they're going to lock it down for 3, 4, 5 years. So every $100 you put in there, you're going to make $1 every year. So 3 years from now, you're going to have $103 for that 1% you gave them, or the 1% return for 3 years. That is not awesome. That is why I say, don't outsource your financial future to a bank. Obviously, I use banks. I need to use banks for transactional purposes. But when it comes to wealth building, they're not the place to go. So that is what I want to cover on today's episode. Don't outsource your financial future to a bank. Take control of your own finances and put them to work on assets that generate cash flow or generate an increased net worth, right? Things that appreciate in value. So there you go. That wraps up today's How to Trade Stocks and Options podcast. Hey, before you go real quick, make sure you like, subscribe, and enable notifications. That way you never miss any of the tools, tips, and tricks that we upload every single week to help you trade faster and trade smarter. And I'll see you on the next episode. Hey, did you realize that you could get the secret weapon that every investor needs right now to start changing your financial future for free? Yeah, that's right. Just head on over to triplestockprofits.com and download your free Triple Stock Profit System ebook today. 10MinuteStockTrader.com content is for information and educational purposes only. It is not, nor is it intended to be, trading or investment advice or recommendation that any security, futures contract, options contract, transaction, or other financial instrument or strategy is suitable for any person. Trading securities can involve high risk and the potential for total loss of any funds invested. 10MinuteStockTrader.com and Christopher Uhl, through its content, financial programming, or otherwise, does not provide investment or financial advice or make investment recommendations. Investment information provided may not be suitable for all investors and is provided without respect to the individual investors and audience's financial sophistication, financial situation, investing time horizon, or risk tolerance. 10MinuteStockTrader.com and Christopher Uhl are not in the business of trading securities trades, nor does it direct client commodity accounts or give commodity trading advice tailored to any particular client situation or investment objectives. 10MinuteStockTrader.com and Christopher Uhl are not licensed financial advisors, registered investment advisors, or registered broker-dealers. Stocks, options, futures options, and other financial instruments not included here involve risk and are not suitable for all investors. You alone are responsible for making your investment and financial trading decisions and for evaluating the merits and risks associated with the use of any financial security and broker platform. For more information, please visit 10MinuteStockTrader.com/legal. Thanks for stopping by.